Welcome to a comprehensive exploration of one of nature's most esteemed treasures, black walnut wood. Known for its rich color, intricate grain patterns, and exceptional durability, black walnut has carved its niche in the realms of woodworking, furniture design, and even in the art world. Let's embark on a journey to uncover the secrets of this remarkable material, from its deep-rooted history to its modern-day applications and everything in between. American black walnut is a hardwood species with a light greyish-brown to purplish-black heartwood and a sapwood that ranges from almost white to a yellow, creamy brown. The grain is typically straight, but can also be curly or wavy, and the texture is usually coarse, becoming more lustrous with age. It is known for its burrs, stump wood, and crotches, which create a mottled, curly, and wavy figure. The wood is often knotty, particularly with wider boards, and may require dark or ebony filler in the knots. It is a popular choice for timber products such as skirting boards, architrave, cover fillets, and mouldings. From the cool climates of Ontario to the warm, moist regions of Texas, the black walnut tree has a broad habitat range. It favors the deep, well-drained soils found in river valleys and floodplains, where it reaches its full potential, growing tall and sturdy, its canopy spreading wide. Walnut is hard, tough wood, has tolerable crushing and bending strength, low stiffness, and steam bends well. It works well with machine and hand tools with a tolerable blunting effect. It generally planes well, but its irregular grain can hamper this. It turns, carves, mortises, nails, screws, sands and paints well. It stains, oils and polishes to a high finish. Typically easy to work provided the grain is straight and regular. Plain or tear-out can sometimes be a problem when surfacing pieces with irregular or figured grain. Glues, stains and finishes well, though walnut is rarely stained. Responds well to steam bending. Very popular and widely available, though board widths can sometimes be narrow. Wastage can be high if sapwood is not accounted for in projects. Considered a premium domestic hardwood, prices are in the high range for a domestic species. While several walnut species grace our forests and gardens, black walnut stands out. Unlike its cousin, the English walnut, black walnut wood is darker, denser, and possesses a unique grain pattern that woodworkers and artists covet. The use of black walnut in furniture and cabinetry is a tradition that speaks of elegance and sophistication. Whether it's a sleek modern coffee table or a stately antique armoire, storage boxes, it adds a touch of class that is unparalleled. Crafting with it requires a keen eye and a skilled hand. Techniques like book-matching the grain for visually stunning tabletops or employing traditional joinery methods that complement its strength are just a few ways artisans honor this magnificent material. Black walnut's durability and aesthetic appeal make it a popular choice for architectural woodwork. Its rich color and striking grain patterns lend warmth and depth to interiors, making it a favorite for flooring, paneling, and trim in luxurious homes and buildings. From the historic mansions of the American South to contemporary boutique hotels, its woodwork is a mark of quality and beauty. Its timeless appeal bridges the gap between past and present, adding character and elegance to any space. The resonant qualities of black walnut make it an excellent choice for musical instruments, such as guitars and violins, where it contributes to the instrument's tone and aesthetics. Additionally, its workability and beauty make it a preferred material for decorative carvings and sculptures, showcasing the artistic potential of this versatile wood. In the realm of contemporary art and design, black walnut continues to inspire. Artists and designers utilize its natural beauty and strength to create pieces that are not only functional but also works of art, pushing the boundaries of traditional woodworking and design.